So I skipped the cleaning part, you know, that is boring part. So you need to clean. I like to use brake cleaner. So you need to clean those, although you see I had a little debris here and I will remove that later. You need to clean friction plates, and I'm still needs to clean a little bit more of this inside of the cover. I cleaned screws and everything, so just brake cleaner, springs, you know, just to be ready for inspection. Pressure plates we are testing. You need to have this piece of glass or marble like this, and you put it on the flat surface, and then manual will tell you that the friction and steel plate warp less than 0.2 millimeters. So we took the measuring tool, sorry. So yeah, 0.2, and tried to move under, you know, and if you cannot push under this, so you are good to go. The same thing with the friction plates, but on friction plates we need to measure thickness. So we have here friction plate thickness 2.9 until 3.1 millimeter. So we will measure the thickness, and then we have clutch spring free length. So you took this spring and measure it from here to here, you know, not pressing it, just measure it. And we need to be 30.2.6, or service limit is 31.7. Okay, let's now measure everything. How you measure in the, you know, steel plates or friction plates warp is by using something like this piece of marble or glass. So something is that is absolutely flat. You know, you cannot use the bench table or something like that. So because you have 0.2 millimeters to measure, and you cannot do it you know, on some surface like a bench. So now you hold it, but on, you know, not here, so not push it. You just hold it, because it's really easy to push this and lift up the plate. Okay, so you just try to push it under it on different places. You don't need to push. And this sticker here will help me to demonstrate you what if your plate is warped. And when you put it like here, you know, you'll simply have the space that you can go under the plate, and you know the warp is too much. This you do the same thing on friction plates, and that's it for the warping measure. Let's now measure the thickness of the plates, but no, 0. Okay, so I was using this analog one, but then I remember that I bought the digital one too, so 3.06. Okay, wait. 3.05. 3.04. We have pretty consistent. I would say we have some 3 millimeters of thickness, and we are right in the middle, somewhere even higher than that. And the service limit here is 2.7. So yeah, we are very good with this friction plates. That's good news. Let's now test one more thing. Let's test the springs. So I took one spring, and we need to have 32.6 millimeters, and 31.7 is the service limit. So oops, sorry. So yeah, we are at the service limit. So we need to change. Yeah, they're all the same, so we need to change the springs, the friction plates, and pressure plates are good. Springs we need to change, and that's it. Our clutch here. So what we left to do with is just brush this. You see these marks? Yeah. So if you can feel it with your finger is quite a good tool for that. If you can feel it with the finger, you need to sand it just a little bit. And I put this paper towel around it so nothing gets in. We will clean it before we assemble everything. Let's do that.